The drone industry in India is taking off like never before. And right now there's a huge demand for the skilled instructors to train the next generation pilots. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your passion for the drone industry into an exciting career as a certified drone instructor. And by the end of this video, you will exactly know what it takes to become a drone instructor in India. And trust me, it's going to be worth it. Drone industry in India is booming. Drones are being used in everything from agriculture, surveying to filming and disaster management. With so many industries relying on drones, there's a growing demand for the skilled and certified drone pilots, and that's where drone instructors come in. As a drone instructor, you're not just flying, you're helping to shape the future of aviation by training the next generation of drone pilots. And let me tell you, the opportunities are endless. In fact, India's drone market is expected to grow over 50% by coming years. That means this is the perfect time to get into the industry. Alright, step 1. Before you teach others to fly drones, you need to learn how to fly them yourself. That's where the Remote Pilot Certificate or RPC comes into play. So how do you get this RPC? It's pretty simple. First, you'll need to enroll into DGCA authorized Remote Pilot Training Organization, also known as RPTO. Here, you will go through both practical and theoretical training. The theoretical part covers drone regulations, safety measurements, and airspace management, while practical training will teach you how you actually operate a drone in various conditions. We have a dedicated video regarding this in our channel. You can watch it later. The link is in the description. Once you have completed the course, you will take an assessment. And if you pass, congratulations, you will be awarded your Remote Pilot Certificate, which means you are now legally allowed to fly a drone for commercial purpose in India. But that's just a first step. Step 2 is all about experience. After you have earned your Remote Pilot Certificate, it's time to log some serious flight hours. You will want to gain experience flying drones in different sectors like surveying, mapping, or even filming. The more diverse your experience, the better prepared you will be to teach others. But the question is, why does it matter? Well, the more you log, the more confident you become in handling different situations, whether that's flying in a challenging weather condition or turbulent shooting or technical issues. And as an instructor, you need that confidence to pass on to your students. Now that you've got experience, it's time for the step 3. Applying for Train the Trainer course. This is a certification that allows you to teach drone piloting to DGCA approved training organizations. To become a drone instructor, you will need to pass both theoretical and practical exams to show that not only do you know how to fly the drones, but you also know how to teach others how to do it safely and effectively. Remember, being a good drone pilot isn't enough. You need to be able to explain complex concepts, troubleshoot problems, and make sure your students understand everything from airspace regulations to emergency procedures. Once you have been passed in your Train the Trainer course, you will be called out for the instructor rating in DGCA office. This instructor rating is nothing but a face-to-face physical interview call. The interview is designed to verify 2 key things. First, whether you have the ability to effectively teach next generation drone pilots. Second, whether you possess the required knowledge about the drone industry. Here viewers, it's not just about your flying skills. It's about how well you understand and can communicate critical concepts to your students. To succeed this instructor rating, you need to hold the in-depth knowledge about Drone Rule 2021, all the DTCs and amendments, and be well versed with the Digital Sky platform. If you want a separate dedicated video about instructor rating preparation, comment down and let me know. But what if you fail in the instructor rating? Here's where it gets interesting. The oral examination is crucial for earning instructor rating. The DGCA will conduct these oral exams, and it's your chance to demonstrate both your knowledge and ability to teach future drone pilots. You will have up to 3 attempts to pass this exam, with a 30 days of cooling period between each attempts. If you are absent for an exam, it won't count as an attempt. But after 3 failed attempts, you will need to redo the train-the-trainer course, and you cannot retake the exam for at least 6 months. The validity of this instructor rating shall remain for a period of 10 years, and in between the instructor need to undergo a refresher course in every 2 years. Here are the couple of things that you need to keep in your mind. Number 1, you must ensure all your documents are accurate. Any falsification can lead to being barred for 2 years from applying again. Number 2, for those already certified as a remote pilot instructor in one category, can apply for additional rating without having to undergo the train-the-trainer course again. Number 3, make sure you maintain a proper systematically ordered logbook. And please don't encourage any of the scratches nor overwriting in your logbook. So that's all from my side, guys. If you're planning to become a drone pilot, then you must watch this video. You may check out our description box to get the study materials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.